ਫਰੈਡੀ ਗ੍ਰੇ ਦੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਕਸਟਡੀ 'ਚ ਹੋਈ ਮੌਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਬਾਲਟਿਮੋਰ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਆਫੀਸਰ ਵਿਲੀਅਮ ਜੀ ਪੋਟਰ ਤੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਕੇਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਊਰੀ ਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਤੇ ਸਹਿਮਤੀ ਨਾ ਬਣਨ ਕਾਰਨ ਬਾਲਟਿਮੋਰ ਸਿਟੀ ਸਰਕਿਟ ਕੋਰਟ ਨੇ ਮਿਸ ਟ੍ਰਾਇਲ ਐਲਾਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। 19 ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਕਸਟਡੀ 'ਚ ਸਪਾਈਨਲ ਕਾਰਡ ਇੰਜਰੀ ਕਾਰਨ ਫਰੈਡੀ ਗ੍ਰੇ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ। ਗ੍ਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਕੀਲ ਬਿਲੀ ਮਰਫੀ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼ਗੀ ਜ਼ਾਹਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਉਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮਿਸ ਟ੍ਰਾਇਲ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਦੋਸ਼ੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਆਫੀਸਰਸ ਦੇ ਕੇਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸਰ ਪਾਏਗਾ।
The trial of the first Baltimore police officer in the death of Freddie Gray ended in a hung jury on Wednesday, an unexpected twist that complicates the cases against 5 other officers facing charges in a fatal police encounter that prompted violent unrest in Baltimore. Judge Barry G. Williams of the Baltimore City Circuit Court formally declared a mistrial shortly after 3 p.m. after a jury of 7 women and 5 men filed into his wood-paneled courtroom. 7 of the 12 jurors were black. They had sent him a note after 16 hours of deliberations to inform him they were deadlocked on all 4 charges, including manslaughter. The mistrial brought an end to proceedings that would have gripped this city, where many legal experts expected an acquittal, and at least on the manslaughter charge. A new date will be set soon, but the judge has scheduled a private conference to discuss this with lawyers. Freddie Gray was a 25-year-old black man who died April 19 of a spinal cord injury that prosecutors say was sustained during a ride in a police van. The mistrial will create other complications with the other officers being trialed. 6 charges were brought against officers, who 3 were black and 3 are white. Officer Porter, who testified in his own defense, was charged with manslaughter, assault, and reckless endangerment and misconduct in office. The state accused him of callous indifference to Mr. Gray's life for failing to call a medic after Mr. Gray asked for one and for not buckling Mr. Gray into a police transport van, where he got his fatal injury to his spinal cord. Mr. Gray's death opened a raw wound in Baltimore, a majority black city with a long history of tension between African Americans and the police. Its ripple effects have been immense. The city paid a $6.4 million settlement to the Gray family. The Justice Department is investigating whether the police here systematically violate the civil rights of black residents. Prabjot Kaur, TV84, New York.